How to fix this phone number cannot be used as this time error on your iPhone. Now, first what you've got to do is check if the server is down or if the phone number has a problem. You can use a different phone number if you have one. If you don't have one, you can simply go to your web browser, search for temp phone number, simply search for temp phone, and then you can find a site right here where you can get free temporary phone numbers, and you can check if the problem is with your phone number or the server itself. Now, if that does not work too, what you can do is you can simply go to your browser again, go to support.apple.com, tap on go, and tap on iPhone. After you tap on iPhone, just scroll down all the way. You will see a section of search for more topics. Tap on it, and then just tap on cannot verify. Search for just cannot verify phone number, and after you search for it, there should be a fix right here. Now, if you don't find a fix somewhere around here, scroll down all the way, and yeah, if you still don't find it, if you don't find a report here, you can go back and scroll down again and tap on get support. Tap on start now, and after you tap on start now, you will get the support that you require. Now just simply tap on more, and here you can tap on your account, just search for your Apple ID or something like that. And after you find your topic here, let me just show you an example so you can just tell them in words too. Just simply type your problem in here and tap on continue, and you'll get to the support page where you can talk to the staff of Apple and they will fix the problem for you. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.